Good afternoon. Will you please introduce yourself?
I'm Angelica Sipi. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Zamboanga del Sur, and I can clean home and care baby good, and I'm honest for my work.
Okay, so you have been work from other country, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many years?
For 2 years, ma'am, in Kuwait.
Since when? Okay, with what year?
2010 to 2012.
So just only new.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it's big salary for me, and it could provide for my family and for my future.
Okay, so can you take care of your newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. From 1 year old to 4 years old.
By what?
But I can care of them by dancing. I can give their food,
Yes.
singing.
Okay.
I can play all the time, ma'am, as I can.
Yeah, so what if the baby have sick, what you should do?
I tell to my madam if they have sick. I tell to my madam
Okay,
so that they can bring in
yes.
the doctor.
So do you know how to get along with an elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
By assist them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So since you've been in other country, so do you know how to conquer homesick, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now how do you get along with the young children?
I can give them their needs, ma'am, daily.
Yes, and play with them if you're free time, right?
Yes, ma'am. I
You
can
can
play
song with
with them,
them
I can dance,
song,
and I
yes.
can sing with them.
Okay, give me a sample song, please.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hi, thanks for that nice voice. Anyway, what if your madam requests you to cut your hair short and if it's okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your madam give you a week off? Also, it's okay?
It's okay, ma'am.
So, do you know how to cook a Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like steamed fish, fried vegetables, sushi noodles, and that's all.
Okay, so you're not choosy on food.
Yes, ma'am.
So, it's your time to see a message for your future employer.
Dear ma'am and sir, I hope you choose me as your worker in your home, and thank you so much for choosing me as a helper in your home. I promise that I be good as I can, and I want to be honest in your home for 2 years, and I want to work happy in your home.
Okay, thank you, and that's all.